Hi mga ka-PG! Share ko lang yung food trip namin sa Binondo. First stop, Veggie Select. Lahat ng tinitinda nila dito no meats, kaya if you are vegetarian na mahilig kumain, try this. Meron silang grilled skewers, xiaolongbao, and fried siopaw. Yes, lahat yan vegetarian. Umpisahan natin sa siopaw. Malambot yung buns, dry and airy yung palaman. 3 out of 5. Next, vegetarian xiaolongbao. 200 pesos yung 10 pieces. Walang sabaw pero masarap yung sausawan. 3.5 out of 5. Then grilled skewers, isang set for 150 pesos, may 5 sticks, vegetarian sausage, mushroom, veggie balls, tofu, and rice cake. Lasang-lasa yung cumin powder which is not my favorite. Sweet and spicy, 4 out of 5. Sakto yun katabi, sugarcane juice, panlaban sa maanghang, 100 pesos malaking baso na. Literally fresh squeezed, 100% natural na galing sa tubo.
4.5 out of 5.
Kung ayaw nyo pala nang nakatayo sa arawan habang kumakain, meron silang air-conditioned dining area. Ang cute, lahat ng kailangan mo nandun na sa drawer ng mga lamesa. Lahat yan dito sa kanto ng Ongpin, corner Salazar Street. Next, Shanghai fried siopaw, 35 pesos per piece. Laging bagong luto, slightly crispy yung bottom, pero malambot yung buns. Juicy yung laman, hindi na kailangan ng sauce. Gusto ko yung hint taste ng greens, although mas juicy yung natikman ko sa Shanghai China.
4 out of 5.
Binondo food trip isn't complete without having Engbiti and Hopia. Aside from Tikoy, Mooncake, and Hopia, maraming products na silang binibenta including frozen dim sum.
Then we went back to King Chef Lucky China Mall for the happy hour promo. Naka 30% off lahat ng dim sum between 2 to 5 p.m. Isang dekada na ako kumakain dito and I will keep on coming back because of their consistent, good quality, and authentic Chinese food. 5 out of 5. Disclaimer, base ito sa aming panlasa at actual dining experience. And that's it. Ciao!